Good morning everyone. Once again I am here for your PE class. But this time we are going to talk about pre-primary class. Pre-primary class means nursery, prep and 1 and their activity. Their activity in our school, you know, tunnel ball. So today we will talk about tunnel ball. Usually we play with 60, which is in our school all 6 houses. But today in this time we are playing with no children but with teacher. So first of all I will be talking about things which is required in tunnel ball. Sir, so first thing we are marking for them 6 houses, 6 curtain or 6 flag we are putting to identify their team, because they are very small children. For identify their team we are keeping house flags on the table. So children will be coming and going to particular their house. After that we are keeping arranging balls. You can see balls are kept on the ring. It is for them. They will exchange the ball and run, make tunnel and again come and exchange the ball. So once I am showing you all how to play the game. Ready? Team ready? With my whistle we will start the race. Ready? Keep playing. Open your leg. Open your leg. Run fast. Run fast. Yes. Yes. You sit back. Sit back. Keep playing. Run fast. Run fast. Sit. Sit. There. So see, children, they are running fast. So they are going and changing the ball, coming back to their team, opening their leg, making tunnel. See how nice they are making tunnel. Tunnel, and under the tunnel they are passing the ball and it is going and going. You can see how they are playing and identify their particular house. I think they are in Jhelum house. So they are going and changing the ball. You have seen? Okay. Now you can see they are standing, how they are making tunnel. Little bit I'll explain about tunnel. See, they open their leg and this way in our school we are making teams, 1 team, 2 teams, 3 teams, 4 teams, 5 teams, so on. So they make single line, they open their leg and try to make a tunnel. Through this tunnel only you might have seen they are throwing the ball and try to cover up the gap and with speed they are playing this game. And whosoever is finishes fast, once again I'll tell you, whosoever is finishing the fast will be the first. Then when they come with the ball and they sit, hold the ball, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down everyone. So this is the sign of winning the team. They all sit together. When everybody finishes the race, they all sit together, means this team has already finished. And the team is not finishing, they will continue. When they also over, they come and sit, then that team will be the second position holder. Same way, third position holder, fourth position holder, fifth position holder and sixth position holder. So this tournament is especially for the pre-primary classes, which is nursery, prep and 1, and they are youngest children in our school. They play their game and learning many things. their speed, their skill, flexibility, team spirit, sportsmanship, and many more. And above all, their fitness. During this game, they improve their fitness and learn our team game. That's all for today. Thank you.